Hey everybody, this is Paul, and look at this beautiful organic Honeycrisp apple. Now, Honeycrisp apples were first developed in the 1960s, and they were introduced into the market 30 years later. Yes, 30 years. And it's a cross of Keepsake and MN1627, developed by the University of Minnesota. You can see this apple is large sized, and it's over half a pound, as you can see. And it has like a light green yellow background, not so much on this one, but traditionally. And then it's gonna be covered with this red orange flesh like you see here. If the apple gets more like full sun, it will be even a little bit pink. So it's got a nice white flesh. Let's cut it open and give it a taste. I like to cut it the cross sections so we can get a nice view of the apple. And look at that. I can smell it from here as soon as I cut it, and it smells delicious. I like this apple because it's got a nice white flesh, and it's not too dense, but it's got a really nice crisp to it. Something I really like about this apple. Now, it may not brix as high. You can see this one is a little bit lower than other apples we tested, but it's still a delicious, really sweet, flavorful apple. The taste I detect is sweetness with a little bit of acidity. And it's really just sweet, juicy, and refreshing. Such a wonderful apple. And the parent apple of so many of our new delicious varieties that we have now. You know, I think the flesh could be considered a little bit soft, in my opinion. And they do say it can bruise easily, the apple. But I think it's just a joy. It's not really a factor to me, and it's not really noticeable more than, say, other apples. Just a really delicious apple, all in all. Oh, I'm really enjoying this apple. I would give this probably like an 8 out of 10. I like some of the other apples a bit more, but this one is just fine. So there you go. That is the organic Honeycrisp apple. Delicious variety, created long ago by the University of Minnesota. All right, give us a like, subscribe, boop, boop. Have yourself a wonderful day. And hopefully you can enjoy a delicious Honeycrisp apple soon, especially an organic one like this. It's just one of my favorite. All right, take care. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for your time.